Hi, Hakima and William. Today we're going to do the first chapter in Focus on Grammar 4. Now, this is just a review. You've done this before in Focus on Grammar 2 and Focus on Grammar 3. There's just one new thing we're going to add at the end, so mostly review. So, we're looking at the difference between simple present and present progressive. You probably remember simple present talks about things that happen every day or every week or every morning. It happens again and again and again. Or it always happens, it never happens, rarely, often, sometimes, okay? Present progressive, though, talks about things that are happening now, okay? So up here, sorry, I'm just going to back up a bit. So for simple present, I read every day. Not reading, but read. If it's every day, I'm talking about what I do every day. I read every day. Remember, when you have he, she, it, you need to put S on the verb. So she never eats breakfast. Okay, so both of these sentences talk about things that happen, or in this case, don't happen every day. Okay? Present progressive, again, we're talking about things happening right now. So I am, or I'm reading right now. So remember, you need the be verb plus verbing for something that's happening now. He's studying French this semester. Now, this semester is happening right now. Okay, so he might not be in school right now, but this semester is happening now. Last semester is finished, right? So that would be in the past. But this semester is going on now, okay? However, remember, don't put non-action verbs into the progressive tense, okay? So you need to be careful there. You just leave them in simple present even when the action is now, okay? So for instance, I would say, I have a toothache. Now, I mean right now, I have a toothache, but I don't say I'm having a toothache, because have is non-action. But review your notes from before, like from last year, because remember, having can be in the progressive if we say I'm having fun, I'm having a good time, or I'm having supper, breakfast. We use having in place of eating. Okay, so sometimes these words can be used in progressive in certain circumstances. Okay, now here's the new thing. Not that complicated, but as you know, always is one of those frequency adverbs, like always, never, often, sometimes, okay? So usually always is in the simple present. However, in informal speaking, people quite often will use it in a progressive tense, okay? So I wouldn't use this in formal writing or formal speaking, but in conversation and things like that, informal situations, we say always in the progressive tense. So I could say, she's always yelling at her kids. Or I could say, she always yells at her kids. It means the same thing. It's just, you know, kind of one of those rules that gets broken in English. Okay, so make sure you look over the notes that I gave you to go with this first unit, and then you can do the questions, take the pictures, and send them off to me. Good luck. I'm sure you'll do fine, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.